up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing exercise. We are at the time whatever, and see in this video my hair's a mess, and I'm going to be going into this wood bit wherever exploding this Fanta bottle by shaking up and exploding. Because I had a massive argument, but my dad jumped on people's garages into their bushes on his yacht. Ow! My butt! So, let's get in. If there's an entrance in, that'd be great. Otherwise, we're going to have to step on this rock and hope there's no spiders. Where's the spider? I hate them. Oh! R.I.P. my life. Got no spiders. Need to get right to the centre, guys. Bingo! We're in the centre, guys. So I'm gonna have to plant this down. Where am I going to put my camera? In between my legs. This is absolutely frightening. Just wait a minute, guys. It's really wrong. Is it up? I'm going to do some ball flips. That will make it for that. Do some ball flips while we're here. I'm twisting it up by doing a load of high bottom flips. It's not London. I'm twisting it up by doing a load of crazy ball flips. Right now, hey Dad, can you come in and hold the camera? I need you to hold the camera. Uh-oh, this is going to be hard. Do a box flip. I did it a minute ago. I'm not on camera, but got Fanta. It's one of my favourite drinks. I really want to do this one. So, right, this is it. It's not got enough. Oh yeah. No. There's not enough. It's not enough. Yeah. Can we not get another one? I know, but Rios don't get in bottles. Well, this video is going to turn into a vlog. No, vlog, same thing.
Frog?
Yeah, not vlog. Does he? The cringiest talk ever.
Mummy.
Quite cold. Nah. Oh, can we do some intense bottle flips over there? No, Dad, please. It's the best place in the world. I did it with Jack Nash, Dad. Yeah. Let's go. I went right there. Went like. Oh! What's that?
Oh, that's not very good, is it? Go on, take it home.
How is it lousy?
It's just not very nice.
Why?
I've seen you throwing bottles around in public.
What are you doing? What is cool ball flipping? And people should know what. I know, but why is it suddenly really dark? That is much better. That was a foul. Wait, you land this on camera. Ah! No! You're not doing that today. Did that?
Yeah, look. What's over there, look?
It's B&M bargains.
Huh?
B&M bargains.
B&M bargains.
Little
Yeah, you can twerk it.
Dad, so
You can't work it.
can we go to
That's a 2-for-1 bargain.
Dad, stop being cringy.
Go.
Dad. I need to go. No battery. No.
Love it up, love it up.
Just be careful.
Love it up, up.
Keep on walking.
Got low battery.
Yeah,
Can I charge it?
well,
Video it.
yeah.
Do a vlog.
It's a vlog. I don't know if it's a vlog or a vlog, but I think it's a vlog. It's practically. Carlo, run! Run! Can we go in B&M bargain? No, but it's more than a bargain. My hair's a mess.
You need to put some stuff on it.
That's what I think.
Right, let's pop to Tesco's quick.
What, 10%?
Is that what you got there?
Yeah!
For what?
I don't know. It's had 20% a minute ago. Look how my video surely didn't take up that much power. No.
Wait down. What should you do to that?
Guys.
Never just do it, okay?
Oh, I don't know. Shall I look?
Yeah, as he drops it, just have a look.
Let's go. Let's go. No, I can't see it. Shall I go back to a village? Dad, shall I go back to the village?
Yes, have a little walk along, okay?
Adventure. Go. Go. Let's go. What? There's nothing. There's literally nothing. No, I mean there's nothing. There's literally nothing. I did.
What you do? You drop your do? Oh, I got it, babe. Thanks, babe.
No, you're gonna have to do a dare now.
Actually, you can twerk it.
No, Dad, you're gonna have to do a dare.
Alright, I'm going to stand on there naked
No, Dad.
and twerk.
That's inappropriate. I dare
What, me
you.
standing on there naked?
I dare you to lick that pole.
What pole?
That one. No, lick it for 10 minutes. Oh, you freak! Ah!
Right, you're there now.
What? Daddy, what do I have to do?
Right, let's think of something now. Right. I dare you
Yeah,
to get that bramble
yeah.
and stick it to your back wheels.
I mean, can you hold the camera facing? No, Dad. No, Dad, hold the camera facing me. No, Dad, you have,
Is that it? Oh no.
you have to face it. Where's this bramble which you actually do it? Where? Oh!
We'll definitely get a drink.
Ah! Have it back. No, what are you doing? No, you have to do one.
I've done one.
Yeah, you would do.
One's enough for anyone.
No, I dare you to. Daddy. Oh, truth or dare? Truth or dare?
Truth.
Wait. Have you ever stolen something from the school?
No. Yes, accidentally and taken it back.
What?
I don't know what it was now.
How can you accidentally
I
steal
think we
something?
walked out with it accidentally.
What was it?
Oh, something from John Lewis. We went, took the pushchair and put something on here and walked out the shop, and then we got out of the shop and realised it was on there.
Dad, I'm gonna call the police.
Well, we took it back, paid for it.
I know.
So yes, yes and no.
Say truth or dare to me.
Truth.
No, you have to say truth or dare.
Dare.
No, you have to say.
Oh, truth or dare?
Dare. You have to dare.
Dare. Tell you to smack that lady's bum.
No, we're not. We're doing appropriate things.
Don't ask me that. I don't know any appropriate things.
No, Dad, no, tell me.
I dare you to hop all the way down to the traffic lights.
Oh, okay.
Hop all the way.
What about if I don't? I'll pay you 50p.
50p.
Okay. Guys, am I allowed to switch foot?
Yep. So I'm going to put 2 feet down.
The traffic light.
Press the button with your nose now. Such a donor.
Dad, truth or dare?
Truth.
We can go now. Why do you always pick truth?
Easier. Alright, dare.
I dare you to shout your loudest bingo in like bingo!
Bingo!
No, louder.
No.
Dad, you have to say truth or dare to me.
Truth or dare?
Dare!
Yeah, another dare?
Yeah, I like dares.
I dare you to stand in the middle of the road and twerk the next hour.
Dad, actually. I swear you're trying to kill me. First, you made me hop to the traffic lights. Now you want me to stand in the road. So you want me to be tired out so I can't walk. You're trying to murder, Dad.
Yeah.
Dad.
Alright,
Think it was there.
I dare you. Right, let me hold that.
Yeah, place it on.
You've got to go on there and you've got to climb all the way across the railing onto the other side.
Where?
From there to there.
Oh no, surely it gets hold off though.
No, you won't. There's no one there.
Oh no.
Do it. Without touching the ground. Then you got to do a twerk on the other side.
When the car comes. You have to do it when the car comes.
No, it won't be a car. It's all locked.
No, I meant when I go into the sun.
Yeah. No, just anyway. A celebratory twerk.
No, I do it when the car comes.
Can you twerk it? Can you work it?
No!
Oh, nearly.
I've done it.
Yeah.
You have to jump down to the
Yeah, jump down to the pavement.
You have to try.
No, no, twerk. You got twerk now. Walk along a bit and do it then. Come on then, you loon. Got it? Good work. You twerk.
Did you put that? Truth or dare? Truth or dare?
GC3.
I don't really
Truth.
care. Okay. Truth or dare?
Alright, now.
Twerk when the car's coming. Yes! Yes, Chan. Daddy, you have to. Daddy.
Too dairy, isn't it?
No, Dad, you have to. Dad!
Is it not too dairy?
I dare you to kick this ball as hard as you can.
Dairy, that's silly.
No, it's Diane, you have to.